Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight at the news at 10. I'm meteorologist Megan Salois. At this point, really all they're bringing is some heavy downpours in the small areas that they're impacting. Just to the north and west of Fort Dodge, between Pocahontas and Manson. We also have a few more showers scattered around Hampton, just north of Iowa Falls. And stand by the oven. It is going to be chilly. Here's a look at your dinner cast at 1 o'clock. If you're an early dinner eater, 25 degrees. Here's where our warm front is, and that storm has just been following the warm front. And as it's hit that warm, moist air, it's intensified.
An extension of our tornado watch tonight.
Yes, there has been a change in the tornado watch area. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that. It has been extended in time to 1 a.m. And what you'll also notice, Carroll, you're no longer included. Dallas is no longer included, and Polk is still not included. This area of thunderstorm activity bowing out just slightly here, so we see the wind gust rushing in first. And in that southern part of the state where we have some sunshine mixing with some clouds, we have a boundary that's developed here with some cumulus clouds. That's where we're seeing some thunderstorm activity beginning to pop up. If you're in Collins, you're right on the edge of that storm. We could see some rotation in the clouds here pushing your direction. Again, tornado warning as well. You can see that northerly wind blowing the smoke south towards Indianola into southern portions of Des Moines. So as you wake up this morning, you might even smell some of that, especially on the south side of town, from the remnants of that smoke still in the air.
Okay, so heavy rain coming in. Do I have time to make it out to my car without getting wet?
You know, I think so. If we wrap it up quickly, okay. John.
We're going to hurry. I'm going to go right to Jen.
These are some of those cool, unique dinosaurs from the southern hemisphere that you'll learn more about here. And then just behind me here, we talked about this a little bit earlier, we have the touch screens, and when you lift them up, it actually, you can see the dinosaur in real time, and then you can touch on him, get different facts about his head, his horns, for example, in different body parts, and you just kind of turn it around and it turns with the dinosaur. So pretty cool exhibit. Hope you can check it out. I've got it. All right, take a look at that, guys. This is what you can do here at the Des Moines Boat, Travel and Sports Show. Let's take a look at the forecast. Not ideal for fishing. Temperatures are in the teens this morning. Can you help me with the forecast? What's it like outside right now?
Cloudy.
Cloudy skies. I'll let you know if any rain will come with those clouds coming up next. How was hibernation this year? Oh yeah, you slept through all the cold conditions. Well, unfortunately, you're going to get a taste of it.
We're definitely talking about rain, Megan, but you said there's even a possibility of a little snow.
Yes, we do have some possibility of a little bit of snow, both very late tonight and then again later in the work week. And I'll show you that here in just a moment. In the meantime, it will be a very rainy day as temperatures will stay above freezing. They will fall through the day, but again, we're not going to get near freezing until late tonight after 10 o'clock. And it stays cold through the week. We have another chance of possibly seeing a little bit of some snow as well. This is an idea for you today. Great idea. Brandon Holmes, his family, they were decking the halls. I thought this was a gorgeous picture there of the kids hard at work hanging the ornaments. And with the rain coming down, cool temperatures outside, it'll be a nice day to do that. Brandon, thanks for letting me share your picture. 53 degrees right now. We have light rain falling, a south wind at 13 miles per hour. Temperatures are mild around the state, from 52 in Fort Dodge to 50 in Centerville, 52 degrees right now in Osceola. We have a steady rain falling over southeastern Iowa. You can see it just to the southeast of Des Moines from Oskaloosa, Ottumwa, and Sheraton. It is lifting to the north. Also notice this shower activity to the west. That's along a cold front that's moving this way, which is going to cause the temperatures to fall. But in the meantime, the biggest weather factor this morning is all this steady rain from Oskaloosa, Sheraton, and Ottumwa along Highway 34, Highway 69. Those are the places where that very heavy rain is moving. But we'll continue to watch this moisture fill in from the south and then this cold front approaching from the west. The two are going to combine over central Iowa through the afternoon hours, making it a very dreary day. We'll see even a touch of some snow on the backside of that late tonight. It becomes very windy tomorrow. We could even have a few flurries once again. Drier conditions during the day on Tuesday. So here's a look at storm path. Again, the heaviest rain will be in the far eastern side of the state today. We'll see a steady rainfall in Des Moines just east of Creston through noon. Again, heaviest rain near Ottumwa and Grinnell. It continues to fall through the 4 o'clock hour today, and even in the evening, a band of rain sitting over I-35 at 8 o'clock. That colder air moves in around 11 to midnight, and as you can see, we could see some light snow on the western edge of this. There may be some minor accumulations, but it should move out very quickly. We'll have quieter conditions, but it will be very windy on Monday. And then on Tuesday, more sunshine. Tuesday night, another system moves in, gives us a chance of some light snow moving into the western side of the state. Today, 54 degrees, rain likely. It will get colder. 26 tonight, cloudy, rain, and then a little bit of some light snow. Only 32 degrees on Monday. Of course, we're all interested in that Thursday Thanksgiving forecast. And as you plan out your dinner plans, stand by the oven. It is going to be chilly. Here's a look at your dinner cast at 1 o'clock. If you're an early dinner eater, 25 degrees, sunshine. At 4 o'clock, 29. And then at 7 o'clock on Thanksgiving evening, a partly cloudy sky and 26 degrees. So dry conditions for Thanksgiving, but early Wednesday, the day before, we could have a little bit of some light snow. We will see those temperatures warm back up again, 34 on Friday, 36 on Saturday. And with all of this snow, you know, even the snow late tonight, flurries tomorrow, and then even a little bit early Wednesday, none of these look like major snowstorms. We might have minor accumulations of like an inch or so, but it doesn't look like a crippling snowstorm by any means.
I think all the people who are going to be out, staying out for Black Friday are going to be thrilled with that.
Oh, with the dry weather by the weekend, yes.
Yeah,
it is just to the south and east of Osceola, just to the north and east of Van Wert. So you are okay, Osceola, Van Wert, you're okay. But if you live closer to Sheraton, we have the little town of Derby, Lucas. If you are in those communities, if you live on any farms in this area, you need to be in the storm shelter. You need to be taking cover. Now, this is actually pretty slow moving. It's only moving to the east at about 20 miles per hour. And as Brett's saying, we also are seeing some gusts off of this spin as well as this tornado continues to cycle. We'll time it out for you for the folks in Sheraton. Again, you probably one of the larger population centers of where this storm is headed next. You know what, if I was you, I'd probably just go ahead in the basement, chill out, watch 13.2 and see how this storm progresses. Russell at about 106, we could see this storm impacting you. And of course, Derby, you are in the tornado warned area as well. Not only does this storm have a tornado with it, but we also have indications of strong gusts ahead of this storm. And then we also have the area highlighted in the pinks here, right along and south of Highway 34 between Osceola and Lucas. We could have some large hail occurring in this area as well. Again, if you are in some of our largest cities, Osceola, Van Wert, I think you guys are going to be okay. You have some heavy rain right now. The rotation is happening just off to your south. This probably will not be our only tornado warning of the day. All the dynamics are right in our atmosphere that we are expecting to see more possibly supercell tornado storms form a little bit later that could produce tornadoes. But right now we actually do have a tornado watch in place. It was just issued right before this warning was issued.